Imagine waking up, checking your phone and seeing money rolling into your account without doing anything at that moment. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. In this video, I'm revealing 4 amazing passive income ideas that can generate more than $5,000 per month. And guess what? I'm going to share some AI powered tools and apps that will help you and make your work easier. Stay till end because the last one is most underrated and highly profitable. So let's get started. Method number 1 is selling AI generated digital products. You don't need to be a writer. Here, I'm going to describe it in 3 steps. First, you have to use Canva with Magic Write feature. In this, you can easily add amazing templates. Second one is you have to use Canva or DeepSeek, and from here, you can grab content for your digital product. The third one is you have to use Gumroad or Etsy where you can upload your digital product and you can sell it. Now, everything is okay. We have created our digital product. We have designed it with the help of Canva. The main thing is we are facing problem in selling it. So if you're facing problem in selling it, I have a bonus tip for you. What you have to do is you have to use DeepSeek and you have to create content around your digital product. What you have to do is you have to use Pinterest and you have to create content for Pinterest around your digital product. For example, if your product is about pets or birds, like for example, if your product is about how you can help your parrot to talk, right? So here what you have to do is you have to create pins around your digital product niche. So you have to use and you have to create bulk pins, and then what you have to do is you have to upload it in your Pinterest account. Don't forget to use business profile account. So it will be very amazing if you use business Pinterest, right? Now what you have to do is once your content is ready with the help of Canva, we are going to take help of Pinterest and we are going to drive traffic from Pinterest. What we are going to do is we are going to make a account in Pinterest related to our digital product, and then we are going to upload pins in that. We have to upload 20 pins per day. Then only we are going to get enough impression and we are going to sell product from there. Automated affiliate marketing with AI. Here, what we are going to do is we are going to take help of DeepSeek and ChatGPT and we are going to do all the things. First, we have to create affiliate account in all the platforms. Secondly, we have to use ChatGPT or DeepSeek and we have to create the content. And third, we have to publish it here. So let me explain one by one. Step number 1 is we have to log in to our Amazon affiliate account. Now, once we have logged into our Amazon associate account, what we are going to do is we are going to research the high demand product which has high price also and the demand is also very high. Now, what we have to do is we have to come to ChatGPT or DeepSeek and we have to ask that I want 1000-word blog for this particular product. It will generate 1000-word blogs. Now what you have to do is you have to copy it and you have to paste it in 2 websites. Number 1 is medium.com. Number 2 is LinkedIn. Don't underestimate the power of LinkedIn because it is very powerful website. You can rank your articles from LinkedIn as well. So you have to use genuine keywords. You can use keyword planner tool. It is very easy to use it and it is definitely free. So you can use it and you can add keyword. If you are not knowing anything, what you have to do is you have to come in ChatGPT. You have to say that this is my article. Now make it SEO friendly. You have to use these keywords. Give list of keyword to ChatGPT and say bold these keyword and add it in my entire blog and make it SEO friendly. And then copy the entire blog and go to LinkedIn and medium.com and paste there. You can paraphrase that article and you can paste it in other websites. So here you have to find 30 products which are very much high in price and they have amazing reviews, and you have to write blogs for it and you have to copy it and paste it in both websites. You can use WriteSonic and Jasper AI for generating your blog as well. Number 3 is YouTube cash cow channel with AI. So how you can earn money from these cash cow channels? Let me explain step by step. Here we need 4 steps and then we can make cash cow channel. First, what we have to do is we have to pick a niche. Whether you are interested in finance, motivational video, anything. The next thing is we have to open ChatGPT, or you can use DeepSeek, and you have to ask him to write YouTube script for the particular topic. Now what you have to do is you have to use InVideo and you have to create a whole YouTube video from it. Now step number 4 is you have to use Speech Hello AI and you have to use it for voiceover. Now no need to give your own voice, but if you ask me, I would suggest you should use your own voice, because in this way your channel will not face problem in monetization. So use your own voice and create your videos and earn money. So here comes the last method. The last method is print on demand with the help of AI. This method is so powerful that people are quitting their job and they are fully invested in this method. Step number 1 is you have to use Midjourney and you have to create designs. Step number 2 is you have to use Printful and you have to upload all the designs there. Step number 3 is you have to create an Instagram account and you have to upload all your t-shirt design in your Instagram account. You can make reels, you can make posts, and you can also upload story as well. And from Instagram, you can generate free traffic. If you're having money, you can invest in ad and you can run Facebook ad, and from there also you can generate sales. Now when it comes about selling it, you can do with these 2 methods. The one is you have to start an Instagram channel and then you have to upload videos of your t-shirts, and you have to upload post of your t-shirt, and you have to upload story as well. The second method is paid method. What you have to do is you have to run Facebook ads. I have shared amazing print on demand niches you must try. Check in I button and you can try and you can make money from it. So here I have shared amazing 4 passive income ideas you should try. So let me know in the comment section below which are you going to try first, and also don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to meet you in the next video. Bye bye.